We don't know where we're at yet, but we'll introduce it soon.
Oh yeah.
Maybe you could tell. And it looks like there's something out on the porch.
There's animals.
It's full lockdown. It's a bit of an obstructed view, but there's a zebra.
There's a zebra over there. There's a
Antelope.
is that a scimitar?
Yeah.
Horn, maybe? I don't know.
A couple laying down. Oh, Tommies.
Some Tommies over there. Oh yeah, and there too. They're all just chilling right now. So, if you haven't guessed, we are at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So excited. It's been a really long time since we've stayed in a deluxe hotel.
Mm-hmm.
So, well, for our honeymoon, we splurged a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Jambo House. Room 2520. It's got the shield on the door. And we come inside. And there's the Brittany.
Yeah? Welcome
Like we said, we splurged a little bit.
to our humble
And
abode.
we did not get a Savannah room. I did not order one.
No.
But
We did put in that we were celebrating our honeymoon. So maybe they upgraded us
yeah,
a little bit.
it looks like we got a little bit of a Savannah room.
We've got a little balcony and everything.
Right, so we got a full-length mirror on the side of the...
This is the sliding door to the bathroom. But yes, we have a full-length mirror out here. Little African details.
A lot of African art here.
This is on the right. We've got the safe and
We're going to run the corner here.
we've got some extra
Safe,
pillows,
a little
blankets, a little
lower closet.
Is this a steamer?
Looks like a steamer. It is a steamer.
Yeah.
And it's a taller hanging closet. And then at the bottom here, the pillow and blanket.
Yep. All right.
The
On
bathroom.
the left, bathroom, double vanity.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I like the dark wood. There is a hairdryer down there and a little bit of storage on the bottom. All of the Disney products and a nice large mirror.
What about Hakuna Matata?
We've got the Hakuna Matata artwork here.
Uh-huh.
Some towels. I like all the fixtures in the dark wood. And then here's
Yes,
the
it
shower.
is very our design. Kind of what we design our stuff with.
Yeah.
So, shower, big glass.
Yep. We've got more of the products on the wall there. A couple shelves, which is nice. And some towels in the toilet.
And the
Shower
commode
looks nice.
down below.
All
And
right.
now on to the main room. So next to the closet, looks like we have a little coffee station.
Coffee station. There is coffee in here. The Disney coffee, some Joffrey's coffee, Twinings tea,
Mm-hmm.
and
Below that
below that, I believe this is our beverage cooler.
is
We have a little
ice
Lion
bucket.
King Savannah artwork, a few more shelves, some African art on the wall, a nice large king size bed, and we've got, I like the headboard. There's 2 nightstands on either side, some more like African cave art there.
Looks like a couple of standard outlets and a couple USBs.
There's Simba is on my drawer. Is Simba on your drawer as well?
Yeah, we have the painting of Simba on the drawer there.
Yeah.
And then this
Oh.
thing says, up sconces, ceiling, good night.
Okay. And it's got the reading lights on the bed, on the headboard.
Individual reading lights.
It's got the Hey Disney. I like this little table and light, a chair, and a
Oh,
footstool.
there it is. And another mirror over here.
Yep. So we can check out our fit.
And then the dresser.
The dresser has plenty of drawers. It looks like full 6 drawers since the beverage cooler's over there. Got
Yeah.
a little nice large TV.
And a book. Race Weekend Impacts. We're here during race weekend.
The Disney Conservation Fund book. Little message for us on the TV.
Congratulations.
And then
Table and
there's
chair.
Another mirror. Lots of mirrors in this room. Table and chairs.
And then of course
And we've got little hidden Mickeys in the curtains here.
there are. I see.
And
then finally,
we've got the
it's
balcony.
not a resort view. It's supposed to be a resort view.
It's supposed to be a resort view, but this is the resort, man.
We may find ourselves sitting out here.
Yeah, we might actually
Use a balcony for once.
use a balcony. So we've got
But this is the savannah, and I know
two
we're not
chairs and a table out here.
we're not zoomed in quite yet, but there's a zebra out there in the distance. I can
There's like a
zoom in a
stork
little
or
bit.
something. There's a couple birds on these logs here.
Yeah,
The Tommy gazelles.
some gazelles laying down, and we saw some giraffes on the other side of the building, and some more zebras and stuff. But
Yeah.
it's actually pretty humid down here for first day of November.
Yeah, exactly.
And we just had some rain showers push through, so a lot of the animals probably laying down. But are you pleased?
I am pleased. I'm very excited to be staying here. So we're trying to make this a little bit easier of a more relaxing trip.
Uh-huh.
A little less park time.
We'll see how it ends up.
We'll see. But we want to spend some time
We got
here at
lightning
the
lanes
resort
tomorrow.
for sure, and kind of take advantage of the resort. So
Right.
yeah.
And you probably saw it before this, but if not, I'll do a whole resort tour.
Yeah.
Coming up soon. So
Yeah.
I'll try and start back from the beginning, roll all the way through.
Okay.
In the meantime, our car is still parked in 30-minute park.
Yeah, we got to move the car.
But welcome to Animal Kingdom Lodge, everybody. This is pretty cool.